The two leaders who played a very vital role till yesterday here in New Delhi, they have gone back to their respective homes. Both of them are allies of the ruling party. But we have decided to be in constant touch with all leaders of non-Congress parties, particularly in the opposition. And try to impress upon even the government that as a result of the confusion and lack of coherence and distrust within the ruling hierarchy, already our economy has suffered badly, and now because of the manner in which the presidential election is being handled, even the polity can be damaged. If the government really wants to correct the situation, let it consult all political parties.
आपने कहा कि नॉन कांग्रेस दलों से हम संपर्क करेंगे, क्या कलाम साहब के लिए आप ममता और मुलायम से बात करेंगे?
उन्होंने खुद ही कर क्या बात की?
उन्होंने बात की है, हमने बात नहीं की है। मैंने तो पत्रों में देखा, टेलीविजन पर सुना कि दोनों ने पर्सनली उनसे बात की है।
आप ममता और मुलायम से बात करेंगे आप लोग के लिए, तो आपने कहा कि नॉन कांग्रेस पार्टियों से हम बातचीत करेंगे।
नहीं, हम तो सबसे बात करने को तैयार है, हमको किसी में आपत्ति नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। Yes, it was a very good meeting.
During the meeting,
because she had phoned me a few days back that I and Naveen Patnaik have decided to support the candidature of Purna Sangma, and she said that she would like the NDA's support. I told her that so far as my personal reaction to the proposal is concerned, I respect Sangma. I have known him very well. He has had a good tenure as Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and he belongs to the Northeast. He's a tribal, and all these factors are there. But I will have to consult my party, the BJP. I will have to consult the NDA if I am to decide out there. And in the meanwhile, these developments have taken place, in which also two allies of the Congress are involved, which have made us have this first meeting of the NDA in connection with the presidential elections. And in the meanwhile, I have had a longish discussion with Jayalalitha ji also, and it was a very good meeting.
during the discussion,
And as a result of that discussion,
have you ever brought the name of Abdul Kalam during the discussion?
I mentioned it that
Yeah, you mentioned, that's what I was
yes,
asking.
yes, I did mention. And she agreed that
One
it
by
is
one.
necessary that we coordinate our efforts. because she had asked me, what is your view about Sangma? I told her, this is my view about Sangma. But at the same time, if we are to see that Sangma wins, much more has to be done. Now, this cannot suffice. Now the situation is...
One by one.
मेरा सवाल आपसे शरद जी यहाँ पर कि अगर कांग्रेस ने यूपीए ने तय किया कि प्रणब मुखर्जी राष्ट्रपति रूप से उतारोगे तो क्या एनडीए सपोर्ट करेगा आप लोग इतना भी याद रखें?
अडवाणी जी ने बात
अभी तो बोला अडवाणी जी
ने जो बात रखी है वो हम सब लोगों की आम सहमति की बात रखी है। इसलिए आपका सवाल पूछना कोई मतलब उसका जवाब भी नहीं, जवाब अडवाणी जी की बात बताई है वो
Venkatesh, 1 minute, please. Mr. Venkatesh.
Mr. Advani,
Yes.
do you think NDA would favor a presidential contest? Whoever the candidate from the UP.
I don't see anything wrong in a contest. It's a democracy. But at the same time, I would think that in a situation of this kind, in which their own allies, उसमें भी कंसेंसस नहीं है, वो और करने की कोशिश भी नहीं हुई, जो हुई वो इस प्रकार की हुई कि उसका परिणाम ये होगा. What is the events of the last 2-3 days are what I describe as clumsy handling, if not total mishandling of the presidential issue.
Mr. Advani, do you believe that you have the numbers to win? Because you ended by saying that if they want to have a consensus, they should approach you. Is that an indication that
I am not saying they should approach me.
No, you as an NDA, is there some kind of understanding possible between the UPA and NDA on the basis of the presidential and vice presidential candidate? Can there be an understanding of it?
We had ruled that out, that possibility out at the very outset. It is Sushma ji who made a statement, perhaps about
2 months ago.
2 months ago,
During the session.
during the session of Parliament, that there is talk that the Congress party and the BJP may have some kind of give and take arrangement and have a consensus approach in respect of President and Vice President. Sushma ji said that no, that's not possible. If at all you want to have some consensus, if it can be between the government and the opposition,
Broad opposition.
we have no objection. But you can't have it between the Congress and the BJP, only because BJP is the principal opposition.
You also said that in the context of Mr. Sangma, you said much more work is to be done. Is it much more work compared to, say, Mr. Kalam? Are you drawing a comparison to Mr. Kalam when you say that?
That
No,
time
I am
we were
not drawing any
comparison.
comparison, but I said 2 chief ministers having supported his candidature is not going to take it very far.
अडवाणी जी, क्या कलाम के समर्थन में सहमति बनाने के लिए क्या आप लोग कोशिश करेंगे? क्योंकि इस प्रोग्राम में स्वामी जी भी लगे हुए थे.
हाँ, मैं समझता हूँ कि जो बातें अब आगे होंगी वो तो अलग अलग लोग करते रहेंगे. हमारी तरफ से इच्छा ये है कि राष्ट्रपति के चुनाव में सरकार कम से कम इस प्रकार का मिसहैंडलिंग न करे. हम अपनी तरफ से मिलते रहेंगे, सलाह मशवरा सबसे करते रहेंगे. आप भी जो सलाह देते रहेंगे उस पर भी सोचते रहेंगे. और कुल मिलाकर के आज जो प्रिलिमिनरी मीटिंग हमारी हुई है वह भी बहुत हमारे लिए संतोषजनक हुई है. मुझे तो कल जयललिता जी से मिलकर के बहुत खुशी हुई, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
On this note, let us conclude the press conference.
Okay.
जब आपका भी सुझाव मान लिया, चलो.
धन्यवाद सबका.
On this note, let us conclude.